My name is Chikanso Emmanuel. So I'm gonna do some experiments now. First, you see on the screen, you're gonna see caustic soda, foil, bottle, water, and balloon. So before you do, you check out. See this balloon, you're gonna blow it to check whether there's any problem. So I've put all the foil and all things. Look at the bottle. Look at it. You see the foil and the caustic soda. 7 spoons. So now you're gonna pour your water. Wait. You're gonna pour your water. So what we doing? Yes, Abby. Uh, Let me tell you, you put too much water and this is not enough. Get me my caustic soda. I got a problem here. Sorry. Sorry, my fans.
Get me my caustic soda. Here is your caustic soda.
Voice.
Here is your caustic soda.
Guys, why don't you go and get spoon for me? Tell me to leave this thing.
Let me start I beg. I mean spoon you use the one put side hole. Don't bring another one.
It's boiling now. Wow, this is nice.
Put that to hold your hand. This is spoon.
This can get.
Chicken soup. Chicken soup. The moment I
It will start boiling.
It's boiling now.
So you need to put your balloon.
Hold water.
hold butter. Hold the butter.
You watch. You look at how the balloon.
The balloon is blowing. The balloon is
Rising.
blowing.
Muffin.
Everyone go out. When you're doing this thing, don't do nonsense unless you bust on your face. Shake it, shake it, shake it.
When you finish, when are you going to remove this thing? Eh?
Look what's that?
Looks like that coconut something posted. Chicken soup. Chicken.
It is puffing,
It's-
so you can see it now.
Is going.